Hello everyone, my name is Thomas and welcome to my Lettercraft channel. In this quick video I'm going to show technique how to make neat round corners by hand on your lettercrafts. I will use skiving knife. Couple key factors which makes perfect looking round corners. First, keep your knife 90 degrees to your bench. Second key component, make as many little cuts as you can, so your corner would look smooth and round. Also, sharp knife is necessary. This is how I make it if I need. In my opinion, results is pretty nice. A bit of sanding and it will look perfect. You can use a round object to track or mark round patch by scratching leather. That's it, what I wanted to share. Hope it helps. If you would like to support me in any of these ways, I would be very appreciated. My crafts and PDF templates could be found on my webshop strhandmade.com. Thanks for watching and see you next time.